Hello everyone, welcome back to Ecom DevX. In this video, I will show how to set up navigation in Shopify and see how it's appearing on your store. Previously, navigation settings were under the online store, but now they are located in the content tab. Click on content from the left hand menu, then select navigation. Here you will find all your store menus. Click on main menu to open it. This section lets you add, remove, or rearrange menu item to optimize your store navigation. If you need to edit an existing menu item, simply click on it. You can change the name, update the link, or modify its position. After making changes, click Apply and then Save Menu to update your store navigation. To add a new menu item, click Add Menu Item, enter the name like Shop Now, and select the destination. This could be a collection, product, or custom URL. Click Add and then Save Menu to apply changes. Shopify allows you to add specific tag to refine which product appear when customer click that menu item. This is useful for showing a subset of collection like new arrivals or bestsellers without creating separate collection manually. You can create a drop-down menu for better organization. Simply drag and drop a menu item under another item to make it a sub-menu. Once saved, go to your store homepage and refresh the homepage. Your updated navigation menu should now be visible. And that's it. You have successfully configured your Shopify store navigation. In the next video, we will explore how to creating product and manage their inventory. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more Shopify tips. Thank you.